Hi, I'm Indiana from the Fairfield Woods Branch Library, and I'm going to show you our week 3 take and make, which is a sea glass necklace. So if you were able to go to the library and get a take and make kit, you will find a little baggie with a piece of sea glass, a piece of wire, and then a pre-made necklace. If you weren't able to get a bag, you can use any sort of rock that you find, sea glass that you might have found on the beach, a shell, any sort of stone, a marble, anything like that. And then you'll definitely need wire and then some sort of necklace or string or cord to hang it off of your neck with. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make one of these necklaces. This is one that I have made before. It's a little brown sea glass, and it's just wrapped in wire and on the necklace. So in this kit, I got a little piece of blue sea glass, and we're gonna take our wire and we're gonna find the middle of it, or somewhere close to the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we're gonna take a pencil, and we're going to wrap a few times around this pencil to make a loop that we can attach our sea glass to our cord later. So just like 4 times I did. And we can slip it off the pencil, and then you can see we have a little circle. And I'm gonna twist these together just to keep everything secure. Hopefully you can see that okay. Just a couple twists. And then we should have a loop and then 2 strands on either side. So we're gonna take our piece of sea glass and we're just gonna start wrapping it. You can do this any way you want, however you like the look. You can wrap it as many times just to make sure it's secure. And you want to wrap with both pieces. You can wrap until you are out of wire, or you can trim the wire if you like how it looks. You just want to make sure that your sea glass is nice and secure on there, just like that. See? And then we can literally just string this onto our cord, like so. Oops, sorry, like so. And this wire is pretty bendable, so you can adjust it and straighten it out if you want, if you need to. And that's basically it. So now we have a sea glass necklace, one of a kind. There you go. Okay, so that's basically it. It's a pretty easy craft. As you can see, I made 2 here. Here's a little brown one, and then I'm wearing a blue one, which goes perfectly with my outfit today. So if you're doing the summer challenge, the code for this week's craft is GLASS, and I'll put it on the screen here. It's just GLASS. So that's it. Thank you.